How fun is this voice changing megaphone? Now, if you are looking for a fun way to engage in creativity, give your children a chance to really use their voice, this is perfect for that. Now, it comes in 5 different sound effects as well as the original megaphone effect. So, what you're going to want to do is kind of pop open those instructions so that you know which button does what. You can understand where the batteries go. Batteries are included, but if you ever need to change them out, just check out those instructions. Very easy to do. Now, when you are looking at the voice changer, you'll see there's an off and an on button, but also there's a volume control, which is really great. Now, if you use the trigger button, that trigger button is what is going to activate the sounds when you are speaking, as well as activate the megaphone. On the side, you have several buttons to change up that voice, and here is kind of what they sound like.
Robot, spooky, monster, ghost, alien, megaphone.
So definitely check this out for your kids. It's a great toy, a great way to get them to use their voice and to have some fun while they're doing a voice change so they can be, a robot, a monster, a ghost, alien, or spooky.